Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play BeamNG Drive on your MacBook. While this incredible physics simulator is built for Windows, Mac users have excellent options to enjoy the game. We will explore two primary methods that allow you to run Windows applications seamlessly on your Apple hardware, ensuring you can experience BeamNG Drive's realistic soft-body physics. One of the most effective ways is using Apple's built-in Boot Camp Assistant. This tool lets you install a full version of Windows directly onto your MacBook, creating a dual boot system. When you restart your computer, you can choose to boot into either Mac OS or Windows. This method offers the best possible performance for BeamNG Drive, as Windows runs natively on your hardware, utilizing all available resources. Another excellent option is using virtualization software like Parallels Desktop. This creates a virtual machine, allowing you to run Windows as an application within Mac OS. You can switch between operating systems without restarting, which is very convenient. While performance might be slightly less than Boot Camp due to resource sharing, modern Macs with 8 GB or more of RAM can still provide a very enjoyable BeamNG Drive experience. To get the best experience, ensure your MacBook has at least 8 GB of RAM and a powerful processor. For storage, allocate a minimum of 100 GB for your Windows installation, whether through Boot Camp or a virtual machine. A MacBook with a dedicated graphics card will offer a much smoother experience. Remember to keep your Windows and graphics drivers updated for optimal performance and stability while playing BeamNG Drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.